What's up, boys? S1KDK back with another video. Today we are gonna go ceramic coat this bike. It's gonna be in the shop for a while. Get some paint touch-ups on the gas tank here and some rock chips that have been going on right here, and there's another one right there. So let's get a cold start on the 2023 S1000. It's pretty cool, man. So one of my subscribers actually is the one that's ceramic coating my bike. A while ago he commented on one of my videos saying he lives by me because he recognized the area. Yeah guys, I can't thank you guys enough for all the support in my last video. I didn't think it would do that good, but when I was editing it, I honestly thought that it wasn't that great of a video because it was kind of boring when I was looking through all the stuff. But then, you know, it all comes down to the editing. If you don't edit your videos very well, your video is not going to turn out very well, and that's just facts. It doesn't matter how good of a video you have to cut out the boring stuff and you have to put in all of the good stuff. So that's what I did, and it turned out amazing. I'm very, very happy with it. Yeah guys, when I get back home, I'm gonna work on editing my other video that I have going up for you guys, hopefully today or later tonight. Oh, look at the cute dog. Look at that cute dog. Gonna work on that. Hopefully I get it done before work. If not, it's okay. I'll get it done after work. And it should be up later today. I have to leave for work around, well, I have to be at work at 2. Nice day out today. Boys, I almost have 4,000 miles on the bike. It's at 3,953 miles. And for all of you guys that are saying, oh, you don't take good care of your bike, there's paint chips on it. Motherfucker, I take amazing care of my bike. At least I try to. It doesn't help that I ride it all the time and then like I follow close to fucking vehicles and the roads are trash. They fucking put up fucking rocks at me. Oh god. Like that kind of shit happens, man. Happens a lot. When you actually drive a bike or a car or a nice car or whatever, you want it to be pristine and perfect, never drive it, because there's always going to be something on the road that fucks up your bike. Like, it's not like I made those, you know what I mean? Like, I know how to properly wash a bike and stuff like that. Maybe I should do a tutorial on it. But then again, there's always haters and always like detailers or, oh, you're doing it wrong. Well, I'm doing it this way for like 4 years now. I'm pretty sure it's all right, but you know, we'll see if I do that. Today I'm wearing my Jordans. If you guys are into Jordans, I don't know if you can see that. Hold on here. If you guys are into Jordans, I got the Jordan 1 Lost and Founds on right now. I'm pretty big into Jordans. I know I don't wear them all the time because I be riding all the time. I usually don't like messing up the toe box with shifting, but this pair fits so well with the red bike. I just had to get it. I haven't bought a pair of Jordans in a while. Boys, yesterday at work it was a down day, and before you say down day, does that mean you don't do anything? Man, it was a lot of hard work yesterday, man. Usually, I'm not gonna lie, I'm an operator, right? I sit in my desk, well, on my chair by my desk, and I sit in the AC and I press a few buttons and run a big like machine, right? But yesterday we had to take the machine apart, clean it, do all that shit. It was a lot of work, man. It was a lot of fucking work. I was sweating my ass off. If you guys are operators, comment down below. Otherwise, comment down below what you guys do for a living, man. I'm kind of curious. That's a nice car. A lot of people have been like commenting on my other video being like, hey, you were in my area when I was in Minneapolis. Next time I go to Minneapolis with my bike, I'll post on my Instagram at S1K_DK for a little meetup spot. If you guys are interested, then you guys can come hang out with me, show me around the area maybe, shit like that. I'll be posting on my Instagram, probably on my Instagram story at S1K_DK again. Feel free to hit me up, man. I answer every single question that you guys have for me. I answer every single DM. Unless if you hating on me, because then I don't answer. I don't give you the time of day. But if you guys try to ask a question about the bike, about me, whatever, I answer most of the time. Well, all the time. It just might take me a while. God, this bike sounds so good. Oh! That guy was staring. That front tire came off of the ground pretty quick, man. Yeah, guys, I gained 52 subscribers yesterday, and you know what's fucking crazy? If I would have gained one more subscriber, it would have been my all-time record. I tied it. I tied it a few, I don't know, weeks ago, maybe a month and a half ago. I hit 52 subscribers in one day as well, which is fucking insane. I'm so thankful for you guys. I literally make videos for you guys now. Before I would just make videos, sorry if I was burping. Before I would make videos just for me, you know, just for fun. And now it's like, I don't feel obligated to make them, but I know I have to make them, right? Like it's just, you guys are waiting on it. You guys keep saying, keep doing what you're doing, man. Keep fucking working hard. It's all gonna pay off, man. I tell you, dude, I have big dreams for this. Like this is just only the beginning, man. And it's crazy because we're almost at 1,000 subscribers already, and it's only the beginning, right? Man, it is only the beginning. I have big plans for this fucking channel. I'm gonna be doing merch. I'm gonna be selling stuff. I want to be selling like other products too. Like I want to get sponsored by other, you know, kind of like Moto Million and stuff like that. I want to be doing stuff kind of like that, like buying wholesale from like, you know, all these different like SC Project, all that stuff, and make my own little website. Kind of like what, who does that? Like Yami Noob does that stuff. And I don't know how well it works out for him, but I want to be doing that shit, man. I want to make my own warehouse. I want to be doing other shit on the side. I want to be doing real estate. I want to be having this as a second source of income for real, man. And it's all thanks to you guys, dude. It's all thanks to fucking you. Like, we're finally doing it. And I'd be giving back a lot. Like, if I, like, the first $1,000 that I make from YouTube, I think I'm just gonna put it straight back into YouTube. But through you guys, I'm either gonna do a huge giveaway, or I might pay off my bike, right? Which is putting it into YouTube. I'm gonna pay off my bike and then buy another bike, right? Whatever one comes, whatever one I think is best for me, I might do the bike route, I might do the giveaway route, right? Man, my bike looks so good in the reflection there. Sheesh! Sheesh! I hope you guys saw that. But yeah, he's a long-term subscriber. And he told his boss, he's like, hey man, by any chance, can you get my friend in like a good deal on a ceramic coat and touching up his paint? And he did it. He did it for me, man. Yeah, otherwise this shit would have cost me like $500 or something like that. Well, even more, man. Like probably like 600, 700 bucks. I'm paying $450 today cash. That's not shit. That's not shit considering. Is this ever gonna go up? I might just take a different way. Fuck that shit, bros. I'm out. Oh, an old man watering his flowers there. Fuck that shit, man. I'm not waiting for that shit no more. God damn. That train been stopped, dog. There's a bunch of really nice houses around this area. Like, that house, man. Man. You know what's crazy? That's probably $1 million house today. We're very close fucking to it. Like by the river and stuff. It actually goes right into a lake. A very well-known lake around the area. So that house is definitely worth like $1 million. Very close to it at least. Maybe even a little bit more. With today's economy. Look at that house. Look at that, like, entryway to that house. I don't know if you just saw that. They got a pond in their fucking front yard, man. That's when you know. That's when you know you live in comfortably. Well, I should even say, like, more than comfortably, man. You live in good as hell. One day. One day. Just gotta keep working. What the fuck happened here? Probably a bunch of high school kids. Look at, you see those burnout marks up there? Definitely a bunch of high school kids. I just went up there. Like a fuck. What the fuck? That's a dealership where I bought my bike. And they charge you $420 for an oil change. Alright guys, in all seriousness though, if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure to like, subscribe, comment. I love all of you guys. Make sure to use my discount code @BrentTuning, quote unquote S1KDK, all caps, no spaces. Code will be on the screen for 5% off of your purchase. I love all of you guys. I hope you guys have a great day. Peace out.